So, I'm in the car making this video just to basically tell y'all what's gonna be in the video, which is I ran an Audi TTRS that I have ran before, and he got some upgrades, I think like bigger, I don't know, like football's on stage 2, E85, and he's pretty quick. His 550 all-wheel drive. I'll show y'all the run right now. Got me pretty good, and I ran supposedly it was a Bill Motor stock turbos GTR, which it was like full bolts on the E85. It was like supposedly 700 wheel. I don't know, to be honest. I forgot to ask the owner, but it was pretty quick too. I'll show you the run of that too, and I went for a few pulls too as well. I'll show you that too as well. Baby little head. See what's up, but I don't know. Here we go. Playing the whole time been forth. This sounds pretty crazy, you know. I'll break the shit out of it. But right now I haven't really done anything. I really haven't done anything crazy just because I've been working a lot. And I only get one day basically to work on cars, and my other day I just to be with my family. So bear with me on the content and everything else, but it will be here soon. Check out the videos.